If you want to make thousands of dollars in passive income by just following professional trains and not doing any of the work, be sure to watch the full video. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doug. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can start copy trading with a very easy tutorial to show you how you can be a part of the $100,000s of dollars that these professional traders are making for their followers. So I'm not gonna talk too much in the intro. I'm gonna get straight to the point on how to set up your ultimate copy trading account. So the first thing you gotta do, guys, is go to the top of my description and click on the partner Bybit link. After you clicked on it, you will go to the Bybit create account page and just create an account using my link, which has my promo code. So after you signed up with my link and deposited money, the next step is really easy, guys. From the Bybit homepage, all you gotta go is to the top, go to derivatives, and just click on copy trading. Once you're at the copy trading page, you can see that you have the top traders by return of investment. I wouldn't click these guys. I'm gonna tell you in a couple of minutes why. Because they most of the time just open trades and got lucky, and most of the time they not really good. So the main thing you want to focus on is traders with the highest profit for followers. As you can see, I follow 2 of them already. Yes, guys, you can follow multiple at once, but I'm not gonna tell you who to follow. I'm gonna tell you what to look at to follow. So just click on view more at traders with the highest profit for followers. Then when we're at the page, one next thing you gotta do is go at the top at master type and just click off traders with the highest profit for followers. Just click off return. Then what you want to do is put on the most profit and loss. So you're gonna be this, like this guy is really good, but he's really expensive to start with, sadly. So there's 3 main key indicators which you wanna check. 1, the 7-day followers profit must be positive. 2, the win rate must be very high. And 3, the stability index must be 4 or 5. So the higher the better. As you can see, one of the traders I'm following has 15,000 for his followers, 93% win rate, and stability index 5, which is really good, guys. The other guy even better, $3,000, 100% win rate, stability factor 5. But this doesn't only determine, and I'm gonna show you guys right now on why did I choose CEO Musk, for example, and what to look at in a copy master trader. So the first thing you want to see is trading days. If this is not at least 30 trading days, stop. He's new, he made good money, but he doesn't know what he's doing. Big red flag, guys. At least 30 trading days. Also, if you have questions, you can just click on the top of my description and join the Telegram community group with at least 30 tradings. The next step is you want the 7-day return to be positive. Any positive number is good, guys, because I'm gonna explain you how even 6.8% will be better than 90% of other people. Of course, you want that the master is making profit, as also the followers are making profit. So if these numbers are red, guys, he's definitely not the best. The second thing, really important as well, max drag down. This is not that important, but this means that this trader closes and opens with very little margin. Like, he knows exactly what the market is going to do. So the lower the max drag down, the better. Of course, you want the 100% win rate. It doesn't have to be 190 something, is good as well. And then you want the total trades to be at least 300, guys, to be safe, and then the win to loss ratio to be 90% or more. So this guy had 485 wins and 26 losses, meaning that he's really doing good, guys, more than 95%. Also, another really important thing is a trading frequency. You want this to be around 30, 40, 50 or more, because if he has like 90% return of investment, but there's 1 trade a week, you won't make money. But 55 trades with all 6.8% is gonna be a lot of money, guys. That's not only on it. Next thing is you want to go to statistics of copy trades, and you don't want many trades to be open. Like these are his open trades. He only has 4 trades open, which is really nice, and his open trades are only minus 0.18%, so we just opened them. If you open this at a trader and you see like 20 trades open, all with like minus 45 to 50%, red flag already, guys. And also one really important thing, the lower actually they do the leverage, the better, because if he can make these percentages and these wins all the time with low leverage, he's very secure and he knows what he's doing, guys. So these are basically the most important things you gotta look at for a master trader. Also, guys, at the top of the description again there's a Telegram group, so if you get questions everyone will answer that. But now if you chose your master like I did with CEO Musk, so this window will pop up, guys, and now I will explain you what in my opinion after 5-6 months of experience are the best settings to use. So funds to copy is basically how much money you have. I will explain in a second what the money should be based on. Stop loss, do 25%, 30%, 20%. Just think to yourself, how much money would I like to lose maximum? Like, I don't want to lose money, but let's say I picked the wrong trader, how much would I lose? And I've been working with 25% lately, and 25% is really decent amount, guys. Also, I use advanced always. I don't even have smart copy, so just go to the top of the description and click advanced. As you can see, an order actually filled. So the next question is really important, guys. So this actually changed, but this trader used to be 10 margin, but he's upgraded to silver now. But basically, what should your fixed margin price be on? So this is really something that a lot of people don't tell about, but the recommended margins are as easy as this, guys. So the margin should be the balance divided by 25. So if you have a balance invested money of $250, you should have a margin of $10. If your balance is $500, you should have a margin of $20. But let's say you have $500 and you want to follow 2 master traders, you can also just do 2 times 250 and margin 10. And if you have less than 250, just choose a trader with $10 margin and you should be fine as well. You won't always make the most profits, because let's say you invest $100 and he opens 20 trades, you will only make half of the money, but still really good money. And then of course if you have $1,000 margin, $40, but if you again want to divide it into 4 accounts or 3 accounts, you can use the same math on all of them. $2,500 would be $100 margin, $5,200 and $10,400. So it's easy as this, guys. This is how I would recommend the margin. Then the next step is just to pick followers, traders, leverage. At one point you might want to change this, because let's say the chosen master you have has 10x leveraging all the time and you're not really sure, then you can pick fixed and put it at like 3 or 4 just to test if it's really good. But most of the times I would just put followers, trade, leverage, and then just confirm your settings and you will be following your master trader. So the next important thing that people always ask me is, how much profit can you make and how do you calculate the profit? There's 3 major things you need to know for the profit, guys. So when we're at the CEO Musk's page, for example, like I'm not gonna say follow him, because you might be watching this is 2 months and my opinion might have changed, guys. But you gotta take the 7 days return of investment. Then you scroll down and you're gonna see how many transactions or trade did he do in the last 7 days. So that's 123. And the last thing what you need to know is the margin. So how much profit can you make? I'm going to explain you right now. So basically the profit is determined by the amounts of trades that a master do. So for example, for him 123, the margin, so let's say $10 per trade, and the return of investment. Then there's another thing that's called profit sharing. So 10% of your profit, which is called master fees, goes to him. So you gotta subtract 10% of that, plus transaction fees. But I'm just gonna show you guys the top thing. The bottom thing, you can just calculate it. It's not that important. If the top thing is good for you, then just use it. You will earn less than that, but you know it will be not far off that. So let's say you have a balance of 250 and you do $10 margin trades times 120 trades times 6.8%. That would make you $83 per week, guys. If you have 500, then you get 20 times 123 times 6.8. It's 167, guys. If you have 1,000, that would be $40 per trade. 120 trades in a week with an average of 6.8% return on investment would be $334. You gotta know this will be minus 10%. That's like $300 minus some fees, $260 or something, but still in that range, guys. And of course, if you're a big dog and you got 10,000, that would be 3,300 or let's say 2,800 per month. But I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this week was so good because Bitcoin pumped from 16 to 23k. Like, these profits don't always happen. Some weeks you make like maybe $10 profits or like 20, but some weeks you can make 100, 200, $500. It just depends on the week. This is what I'm gonna say. This is long term, guys. This is something you're gonna do for months. But there's a next question that a lot of people ask me is, what do I do with the profits, guys? How can I maximize my gains with my profits? Well, I'm gonna tell you right now with something I call compound investing, guys. So basically with compounding, you can actually maximize your gains. What does that really mean? Compounding actually means is taking your profit and using it again to make more profit. For example, guys, we saw that how much profit of the guy who's done 1,000 would be 334 per week. Gross profit. So let's say we would do that with compound and non-compound. So after 1 week, the compound guy would have $334 profit and the non-compound would have the same, guys. So after 2 weeks, the guy with compound would actually recalculate his margin by taking his total balance divided by 25 and would put $53 margin instead of 14 and would actually make $443 that week. So he would already make over $100+ more than the non-compound. Then he would use this money again, divided by 25, which would mean a $70 margin. Then he would do $70 times 123, would be $585 compared to the $334 that the non-compounding make. And after 3 weeks, he would already make like $350 more. Then he would use that money again to divide the next margin, $95, and then would do it again. And after 4 weeks, he would make $794 a week, while the non-compounding guy would make $334 a week, and he would already make $800 more than someone who wouldn't compound. And this is why it's really important that if you make profits and you trust the trader, that you up the margin when you get profits, guys. When your equity of your account goes up, you should up the margin because you will make more money. I had some people who have been following me who started with $1,000 with $40 margin, and at $2,500 still $40 margin. They could have had like $100 margin and made so much more money, guys. They could have been like 4 or 5 times more money right now, but they didn't. And this is why I'm explaining you how to maximize gains with compounding. So the next question that you guys want to know is, what are my copy trading results of the last week, guys? Because last week a lot of my traders got shorted and my stop losses went off. So I found 2 big traders again, CEO Musk and Pineapple, and I've been invested last Sunday $440 in a total, and I've already made $53, guys, in less than a week. As you can see, I started making money on the 17th. So like 4 days I made already $53 or 11%. Like, this is the total money. This is the money after fees and profit sharing. So already making $53 after 4 days, guys. And if we take a look at the master traders, Pineapple Project is a risky master trader with 10x. But if you got multiple master traders, you can pick like a CEO Musk with 3x and then add a Pineapple project with 10x and add some other people. And as you can see, he already made me in 4 days, guys, 23% profit, which is insane to be honest. But you gotta remember, people with big leverage can do big losses as well, so always be sure to keep it safe and invest money you can lose, guys. But he's doing insane. Even Musk with his 3% is doing quite well, guys. 3% in a week or 4 days is still amazing. So I'm really glad. I'm gonna keep following them. I might add some more, so to keep up to date, just join the community. And then next question is, how can I increase money? Let's say I'm really happy about CEO Musk or Pineapple and I invested, but I want to invest more. Then you can just go to the copy trading, then click on your user center follow and just click on increase investment. Just click on increase investment and it will just invest automatically. And then you can go back to the trader by just clicking on the trader, guys. So you go to the trader, you invested more money, and then you just adjust your copy trading settings here and you up your margin if you want to do that. Also the same, how do you cancel? So what you do is you go to CEO Musk, for example, or Pineapple. From your dashboard, you go to master traders, you click on the trader, at the top you click on cancel, guys, and that's how you cancel. When you cancel, guys, I don't know, you gotta pick that. This depends on you. Do you want to exit immediately or keep open position? If you exit immediately, you can get all your money immediately. If you keep positions open, your money will be locked until he closes all his open statistics. So it's all up to you, guys. To end this video, guys, my final tips is pick a margin which is your balance divided by 25. Pick the leverage of the copy master. Increase your margin when balance is increased. So if your equity, guys, again, if your equity here, like I started this one with 190, but let's say I start this with 250, I would be at 300 almost, and my equity margin would be going from 10 to 12. Also, this is not correct, guys, it's bugging out, but really that's how you do it, guys. Then the other tips, of course, what you want to do is never cancel a trade yourself. Just let the master decide. Put a stop loss and be safe, guys. Also, sign up using my link, then you can just support my channel and I will keep making these videos for you guys with the best explanations on YouTube by far. For questions, guys, you can PM me on Twitter or join the Telegram group. So at the top of the description, you can join a group. We have over 30 people and growing, and they will all help you with your questions. These are top tier followers, guys. So basically, this was my ultimate copy trading experience video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like if you did, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and YouTube. Till next time.